Hello, I'm Dr. Michael J. Duckett. A lot of people are asking me today, any ideas on a home business or a part-time business that I could start to supplement my income and do something, especially during these unusual times where a lot of people are even still quarantined? And so I'm here to speak with you about a very unusual opportunity, a very unusual business for you. No, it's not an MLM or network marketing or anything like that, but how would you like to make $50 to $100 per hour, work from home, work according to your schedule, your time, the time that you have, the hours that you have, the days that you want to work or not work, and you get paid for helping people to get their lives together and achieve more in life? Well, let me just tell you something. There's a very great business that I have been doing for over 30 years. It's called life coaching. Now, many people are familiar with the term life coaching, but they're not exactly sure on what a life coach does. And so what I always tell people is that a life coach is really a professional questioner, someone who asks questions. You don't have to have your life together. You're not a consultant. You're not a life consultant or a business consultant. You're a life coach, and there's a big difference. A consultant is expected to know all the answers and have some experience to give those answers. But a life coach, you don't necessarily have to have the experience, because what you're doing is you're helping people to improve their relationships, their jobs, their health, money, basically anything in life. But you're doing it by asking them questions to help them to bring it out of themselves. Right now, we have life coach training and certification. It's online. You do it at your pace. It usually takes 2 to 3 days, about 2 to 3 hours each day. And you genuinely are certified, trained and certified to be very effective as a life coach, and do all the things that you would love to do anyways, probably, or you wouldn't be watching this video. And that's helping people to create a better life and thereby creating a better world. And where is your certification from? You're actually certified through International Coaching Science Research Foundation, or ICS Research. We have been around for over 30 years and have over 5,000 certified life coaches worldwide. We're one of the largest and most respected in the profession. We constantly do research to continue to upgrade our life coaching techniques and the results that our clients are getting. Due to recent events in the world, that's going on right now, especially, a lot of people are confused. They don't know what to do. They're desperate. Life coaches are really needed, very much so. So this is a perfect time to get into this profession for your client's sake, and let's face it, for yours as well. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like I said, you're making $50 to $100 per hour on your time, according to your time. The life coach training right now at fastcoachtraining.com is on sale. It's 50% off. It's $299. Yes, we're doing that because of the need for life coaching right now. And there's more people that need a life coach than we have life coaches. So we have cut our price in half, and it's going to go back up. So if you are interested in doing this, jump in now. Just like if you were already trained and certified as a life coach, that's one of the things that you'll be doing with your clients. You'll hold them accountable and you'll get them moving. You'll say, just like if it was an athletic coach, well, do it now and keep on going no matter what it is. So if you are thinking about creating a new business, life coach, as far as I'm concerned, and over 5,000 other people that have been trained with our organization is concerned, it's the best in the world as far as a profession goes. Life coaching, there's nothing better. And by the way, most life coach certification programs are many thousands of dollars, and ours used to be as well. But times have changed, and that's all right. We still have the same intention, and that is making a difference in people's lives that thereby make a difference in the world. Remember, when you're helping other people, you're really helping yourself. And this is the beauty of being a life coach, because as you're working with your clients and you're helping them to get their lives together, you're going to learn a lot about your own life and start to get your own life together in a different way. Like I said, join over 5,000 of our life coaches who are already trained and certified and living a dream life with a part-time or full-time job. You can do this, again, part or full-time. It's up to you. I would love for you to experience what we have to offer you, and so that you can in turn help others create a better life, a better version of themselves. I'm Dr. Michael J. Duckett, and until we speak again, I'm going to ask you, please go right now to fastcoachtraining.com. Just check it out. See if it resonates with you. If it does, get in it right now. Thank you. Bye for now.